StockMarketPenny.com. $560 call. 90 cents on the bid. We got bids out at 50 pennies. The high, 830. Again. Now, let me explain ya. Barely below the strike price, but look at how the premium's coming down, folks. And I'll update you as to what that means. And that's on the Google 560 call, and we're right there, slightly at the strike, 830 all the way down. Boy, what a haircut that the public took in these, and it can happen to anyone now. But the thing about it is that it does. You don't have to go down that road. You'll have your share of little slight losses, $1 or so, or 50 cents, but nothing like going down over $7 on the contract and riding them all down. And see, we're right at the strike, and we're getting lower here. And we're out at 50 cents, okay, as we move through this expiration. And right now it's 9:57 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1 o'clock New York, 3 hours left of this expiration. And basically, as we tick right at that 560 call strike, you can see the print on the equity here. These are the calls here, is that we could drop down quickly to that 50 cent mark and then bounce. And what they do in the options pit, and you can think to people, is that their role is to get the lowest price that they can get. And then they walk them up later in the day. And there they are, 85 by $1. And yeah, we had bids out earlier in on a couple other tapes at 80 cents. When they were way up there. At one time we had $1.60. I cut it in half to 80. Now I've cut it down to 50. I cut it down to 50 a couple hours ago. And so anyway, this is options expiration. And what I'm going to have is a page developed on the website for options expiration so that the public can understand the kind of risk that they get into and what can very well easily happen. And you need to be a professional in these markets when it comes to these options. Meaning there was a time that there was a lot of money made on the 560 call, but people don't sell them out of greed, and they end up giving all that profit back and losing all their principal. That's what happens.